Come on now. Ooh, just got a bite. Just got a bite. Come on. Come on. Bite it again. You know you want it. God, I had a little nibble. Probably because I'm moving too dang fast. But bite it. Bank fishing from the kayak. Bank fishing from the kayak. There we go. God, he splashed water in my eyeball. Hey, 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 hey. Alrighty, let's see. Caught the last fish on one of these. We're gonna catch us another one. We don't wind up in the bushes first. Go. Oh man, this wind is insane. Let's get just another pretty little fella off this bank. God, I can't catch one if my worm's in the grass. No. Oh, no. Oh, gosh. Am I good at fishing? What, man? Oh, goodness. Okay. Worm has been retrieved. Fishing the bank. Grass is good, huh? Let's get out of that spider-infested grass. Get out here and catch us a bass. Come on now. Hog right here. Hog right here. Hog right up. Oh yeah, that's a good cast. Give me a little bass. Come on, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's a good size. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh crap. Maybe. Choked it. Slammed it. Holy crap. Let's get some line going here. Oh, buddy. Look at that.
Heck yeah.
Hey, like 19 inches long. $3.38.
Oh, not bad.
What a hog. What the heck? I didn't even know he's on there. Hey. I didn't know he was on there. I was fishing behind me because of the wind. Look at that. Very pretty. Be free. Yeah. Ooh, little bass.
Come on, let's double up real quick.
Oh, that is a pretty one.
Is he? I can't see the
Maybe it's just my sunglasses. Hey.
Dominate with your voice. I just start cussing him out when it's fast.
Oh yeah.
Is he pretty? Let me see. Oh yeah, he's nice. I love a good pretty bass.
You splashed water on my lips. There's one pretty bass. Woo. Oh, let's go. Oh my gosh. He flopped the worm off and it landed in my crotch. Hello, buddy. Might still be able to use it where. All right. Let's get us a hog. The wind has definitely died down a good bit. This metal behind me is cold. Might have to come visit you. My ninnies are cold.
Your what?
My ninnies. You ever seen that in Practical Jokers episode?
What?
Ninnies on the glass. In Practical Jokers.
No.
He's standing there like on top of the Empire State Building, and he's got his shirt pulled up, and he's just like rubbing his nipples on the glass.
Oh, yeah.
And then he's on the glass. Then the random guy comes up and does it with him.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. You had to decide.
I'll be fishing right there. Oh, I thought I had a fish.
Probably did. Most likely scared it off the bank.
It might have just been grass, but there was definitely some sort of tension when I started reeling.
I'm trying to be less impatient.
And see, I think that's really good. It's really helpful now because, like, this was almost like 8 foot, like right out here. 9 foot when we first came out. I saw it. So, you know, given a good bit of time to sink in between your pops, or just in the beginning, like that right there. Oh yeah, that's it right now. In the beginning. Should let go of the hook now. Come on. Oh, we gotta pump a little bit. Come on. There we go. Pretty little brother. Go in peace, brother.